everybody? Welcome back to Mr. G's Garage. I got something pretty cool going on today. We're gonna switch all the LED lights on the inside and on the tailgate. Let's just get right into it. So here is the box I got from this company. I don't remember the name of them. I don't even know if the logo is supposed to be here or if it's here. I just randomly picked one. I think this tool came with it, but I'm not 100% sure because I've had it for a while. And it came with the lights. If you have any problems, contact this number. And then it came with, I guess, this you're getting in the box. So let's get going. All right, everybody. So I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's kind of the whole point of this channel. So I think this is what they gave me. Why are you giggling? You're not supposed to be giggling. My camera person's giggling through this process. So I think you just, oh, this is so scary. Am I gonna break this? Haha, suckers. All right, so that just comes right off. And I think, I don't know how you get that out of there. Here, let me see this real quick. And then, whoa, the light bulb is way up in there, so I guess I need to take that out of there. So let me unscrew that, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I tried everything to get these out of here, and I just can't get them out. So what I'm gonna do instead is, if you use your little tool, you come up here, it's not that hard to get it out. And then once you get those 2 clicks, you can just pull this and this whole thing comes out. And then your lights are going to be directly behind here. All right, so just gonna pull this out. You twist it to get it out, comes right out. Look at the damage. Can you see the damage we did this thing? All the tape and scratches trying to get it out. What do you think, director? Is it easier to do it this way?
Yes.
All right. That's the new one with all the LEDs on it. And it just goes back in the same way it came out. All right, so I just thought I'd stop real quick to show you guys. So here's the old one. Here's the new one. Get that yellow kind of yucky light and a nice bright white LED light. All right, so that was way easier, guys. Then when you put it back, it looks like you just click it back into place and it's back in. So let's give it a try, see if we did it right. And there we go. Really easy. I do think, I know it seems kind of weird at first to undo this, but I found this way easier. It's like 2 seconds. You pull this off, you pull the light bulbs out, and it just pops right back on. I think that's way easier than the tape and all this stuff. We just really couldn't get that done. All right, let's move on to the dome light. All right, so now the dome light. I need the cameraman to get right over here, please. Camera girl. There's this little notch. Can you see it right there? You need to stick the tool in there and it pops right out. No problem at all. Which according to this is this funny looking one right there. All right, so here is there's like a little metal thing it looks like you push down. Come on out of there, you know you want to. Where's my little thing? Oh, there it goes. All right, so I got this done finally, all by myself without any help. So you just stick it in there, and like a lot of people have said, if it doesn't come on right away, then you can just turn it the opposite way, because it does matter which way it goes in. And it just, I mean, literally just pops in there. It kind of sticks. If you can see this, one end has a little notch and another end deep inside there has a notch. Really easy to do, guys. And just as a heads up, because again, I have no idea what I'm doing, this part helps to control this part, and I'm glad I figured this out before it got embarrassing. All right, guys, let's move on to the tail lights. All right, so here they are, yellow. This is what it looks like. Now let's get to changing them. They kind of look white in the camera, but they are not. All right, guys, so to change these out, you're gonna have to go like basically right behind here. Put your hand in there and you'll feel the plug that you gotta, I think it's counterclockwise. You gotta twist to get it out, so let's get in there and take a look. All right, guys, so I'm underneath the truck now. It's up in there. I've already pulled this one out. Here's the plug. You're going to put your new light in, and then it's up in there. Let's see if I can kind of show you where it is. It's counterclockwise to get it out and clockwise to get it back on, I believe. So you're just gonna stick your hand in there. As you can see, it's a tight fit, but right up in there is where it is. Orientation, this is where your tire is. This is where your bumper or the license plate is, and it's right in there. And the other one is just on the other side over there. It's way easier to get them out, get them in. Hopefully you have somebody with a small hand. I'm gonna have my daughter help, maybe my wife, but because my hand just, it was a pain to get these in and out. But all right, guys, all right, this goes in just easy as that. All right, so this is it. It's gonna go back in there. It's pretty bright, so. All right, now let's do the other one. All right, here's what the tail lights look at night. Not as easy to do. It was a little bit easy to get out, hard to put in. But I think it looks great. Gets rid of that yellow, kind of makes it look a little bit more modern. Should have probably been in there to begin with, but there it is. All right, guys, so there it is. It's done. And this is what it looks like at night. I think it's a very easy mod, if you want to call it, getting the LEDs done. And I think anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. If you like what you see, you can always subscribe, hit the bell, tell a friend, tell a mom, tell a dad, tell somebody. All right, thanks, guys.